Vending
but I
machine
guess.
or bodega?
Okay, I'm gonna say Bodega.
100% Bodega.
Please. I mean, vending machine is ridiculous.
Yeah, I might go with the vending machine.
I wouldn't trust it if I wanted a half a pound of ham.
Bodegas are a heartbeat of the Hispanic and minority community. And right now, we're very concerned about this company coming in and trying to steal this name from the community. They're trying to steal our identity that my grandfather and other bodega owners worked so hard to build.
If it's in my apartment complex, the fact that I could just go downstairs in my PJs and like buy a roll of toilet paper is very appealing.
They're there for you.
You go and they say, hello, how are you? Maybe I'm from the 19th century, but I like people rather than machines.